Hello Libras, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. This reading is going to be right from 5th of October and so on, beyond, okay? Kind of like, yes, weekly vibes, but also timeless, okay? So, love from India, Bharat. Let's start. Alright, so one card is out. We're going to use Hobbit Tarot. And I just heard like, let's do the magic. Okay, so something is going to be, let's do the magic. There's going to be something happening magical, something out of the blues, but will be positive for you. Something that is going to be too real to believe. Now, I heard first word when I was meditating for you was bona fide, like bona fide. BONA and so on, bona fide. That is connected with the person or the situation, or unable to believe that it is real, but it is, which is, okay? So something is going to be so authentic. Something is going to be so, either it is connected if work related than professional, something that is connected with money, it is real, something that will be given to you, provided to you because it is real and it is yours. Something that is connected with the person here, if in that case, it is going to be so real that you won't be able to believe, but that is coming true. So many of your dream is coming true, many of your work desire is coming true, love desire is coming true. However your situation is and your timeline is, that kind of thing is going to be authentic. It is real, it is not fake. So something is not going to be fake, okay? Alright, so let's start. There's going to be Ace of Wands. There's going to be something, the action, the magic, the connection. I'm hearing the word connection as well. So maybe it is a bona fide connection. It is going to be truthful, no fake, nothing. There's the feelings going to be very much real. Librans are going for this phase, okay? This is also connected with the karma. This is about karmic connections, or however you want to take it as, you believe in as, because we need to give the words, but it does depend. The connection is connection and so on. So Ace of Wands is coming here. There's going to be some what to say, possible it is your action, and you are going to be remarkably completing something. Now, first card that flipped out is King of Swords reversed, okay? So I'm going to just show you the way it came first and the way it is in erect position. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. However, I'm going to take this as your, but apart from that, you can, connect with the signs. But I feel like with this, it's something that you are not going to adjust. This is your energy of, look, the recording time was 0303, which is about connection. It is something that I'm not going to settle for less kind of thoughts and, the quotes and all that stuff. But with the King of Swords reverse, it is something that you are going to look something from all the sides. You're going to get a little bit puzzled, but then again, you're going to take your time, and you're not going to argue. You're not going in for anything that is not recommended for you. You're going to just stay here. You're going to see the situation from other angles. That's what I am hearing, okay? It is also something that people may not like about you. If it is connected with certain issues in your life or certain challenging situations, this is about, I'm going to stick to my position. I'm going to stick to my thought. I'm going to stick with my words and statements that I said earlier. I am with that. I am with the truth. I'm not going to, get manipulated or get convinced for no reason. This is your situation wherein I said like this when I was like this. If this is something, I'm going to see the situation from other sides. But then again, I'm not going to adjust with that. I am this, which is bona fide. I am real, okay? See me real from upside down. See me real, my negative and the positives and flaws and whatever we say, because no one is perfect. But that kind of energy that, no, look, no. You can convince me, you can manipulate me for something which is not right, okay? I know. Now this energy is also about that Librans know, like the scales, exactly, whatever is right. I'm not going to imbalance something. So this is the energy that whether the situation is challenging, you never go in for that. Like, I may feel imbalance inside, but I'm not going to, give justice or give answer or reciprocate on the basis of me being imbalanced, okay? So I'm going to be balanced, and I'm going to give answers, and everything I'm going to do it in a balanced form, which I wanted to convey here. Okay, so let's see. Some of you are taking pause. Okay, it is something that might be, you might feel at crossroad before you talk to this person. For many of you, this may be Nine of Cups energy. You're connected some desire and everything, and it is going to be very much real. May it be again connection, love, relationship, work related, but with this energy you are just not confused. You're just making up your mind which is more important to me, like what is my priority. Okay, so with this Two of Swords energy, there is something that is like real here left, but you need to talk about it. So to, you know, it's also confrontation kind of like, or maybe someone is about to confess you something. Okay, it is connected, confession through the window. So maybe it is like a text is happening, or just video call or call is happening. This may be even virtual meeting kind of. You have Eight of Wands energy. Where this is heading, we need to talk. Okay, I feel like someone is interested in talking to you about whatever matter is here, and it is also that they know that you're going to say and or put out the truth. May it be in a cunning manner, like it's like harsh truth, okay, or reality check kind of. You are going to be just here. Okay, something may make you like a little bit confused. What should I do about this? Because this is something that like I'm hearing offline, the conversation offline, like someone is leaving in the midst. I don't know whether it's you or the person, but you're going to stay with your statement. I feel like that energy, even if there is a hung situation, kind of like someone is hanging up or leaving the conversation or meeting in the mid, whatever meeting it is, okay, whatever conversation it is something that I'm not leaving, you left, you are not landing, I'm going to. Okay, so mark my words, I'm not going to do this, no matter how discontent you are with my thought, because I am right, because I know. Okay, so yes, as an individual, a person does feel like I'm right and all that, but there is something bona fide situation that's going to return to you, because you know that you are not fake, you are authentic, your words are real, and whatever it is. Okay, so you are going to be a little bit puzzled and a little bit may feel messed up regarding certain conversation. The reality check is going to happen and the decision is going to be coming, because you also have Eight of Wands energy. There is a profound movement, I feel, and a very authentic one, especially connected with the, of course, bona fide situation is turning in your favor. Eight of Wands is a conversation, is a movement, is a travel, or something connected with that. I feel like the conversation is going to go ahead. It's connected. So maybe you're coming from a place where it was very difficult for you to advance in certain situation, which is about the development thing. But I feel in your now, there's going to be someone who is landing, and if you allow, like it is connected. Okay, so I feel like this is telling that you have to allow, but it is also something that you are thinking or asking them that why you are even afraid about this, that you can't land in this area. We always needed this conversation, but why you were not coming. Okay, so it is about something why you were disconnected. There's the energies of like connection lost, Wi-Fi is not there, or someone making excuses. That created issues here, and that's why someone is agitated here. Okay, but in your now, I see a lot of conversation happening, especially connected with Nine of Cups energy, especially connected with the one you desire to connect, or this bona fide situation is unleashing in front of you, and Ace of Cups is here. No more confusions. Okay, I feel this Eight of Wands and Two of Swords energy is all about your love for the person, the love that someone holds for you. Okay, I feel this is your card in the future. Nine of Cups is all about that you're going to reach your destination, or you're going to reach that conversation that was so important for you, was needed. Okay, I'm going to keep this here so that you can see in the light. So Ace of Cups is all about the real conversation regarding real emotions and not fake. Nothing is fake here between you and the person. Let's see on King of Swords. So wait is going to transform into the real meeting. Okay, like it was not fake. Someone may end up saying, I always told you it's not fake. Okay, Two of Wands, planning and preparation. Queen of Coins energy, Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn might be connected with you somehow, but I feel this is all about you are into organization. Okay, also it is about you are decorating. Maybe it is connected with renovation at your workplace or at your home. This is also some investment that you're about to do, like even like purchases. I heard purchases, like you're purchasing something maybe for your home or something. It is also something that you are visioning something in the future that you know it's going to be worth. Something is going to be worth and you're going to spend it. This is also something that you are doing in order to invite someone. I feel there may be a guest coming at your home. Ooh, wow. They are going to contact you, I feel, from far, okay? And this is going to be worth, like meeting is going to be worth, or something is going to be really worth here with this, okay? Let me see. I feel like you are going to organize your thoughts here and pursue with something. That's all I can say, okay? Where this Nine of Cups is heading, but I feel it's Ace of Cups energy connected with your present and future, okay? Something that you're going to end, something that you are going to mend. Now end and mend is coming, okay? With the star, maybe an Aquarius is here, but I feel this is someone's search is going to follow up. With the Three of Swords energy and the Ten of Wands energy, no longer dragging, okay? You're figuring out something. Something is going to be real. Something is going to be startling for the other person as well, I'm telling you that. Especially with Three of Swords energy. If this is some other sign of like Gemini or Aquarius, and Aquarius is also coming here, you're looking forward to, I feel like shift, okay? Just give me a second. Okay, these are not your cards though, because there are so many and I don't have this call, but I just gave you the message, okay? But it is connected with Three of Swords, connections, figuring out, pointing energies, but bona fide, something is going to be so real, and it's going to be clarification round. Hope this is making sense. With the Ten of Wands energy, you're no longer dragging something here. Whoa, this was the time to fit in. Let's see. What's with Nine of Cups and beyond? Please give us the energy. With the Nine of Cups and beyond. Nine of Cups. I see here deep cleaning, home preparations, renovations, decorations, something that you're receiving here and you're going to end up, I feel like that kind of energy. It's like preparations happening, like, and preparation maybe, some of you are throwing party may be connected with like, I don't know, with the punches or mocktails, cocktails, I don't know what you're doing here, but this is what you're doing. So cleaning stuff and everything, okay? There's going to be possible judgment. Judgment is going to be connected with your decision, the final round, or let's say the final words that you're going to say is going to be very much secure. I'm also hearing a callback, of course, with the judgment. There's going to be something that you're waiting on, or something that someone is waiting on, like a callback. I'm going to call you back, or they are actually doing it. This call is going to be really bona fide. Oh, so let's see where this Nine of Cups is heading. Very nice. There's going to be new beginning. As a follow-up is also here. And with the Sun and the Fool energy, beautiful, two beautiful major cards, especially with Nine of Cups. It's a confirmation of something that's going to go in positive, on a positive note, bona fide, real, not fake, very authentic. With the Sun and the Fool energy, I feel you're about to start a new journey at a new place, or new work at a new place. This is also shift, or something is going to be in transitioning phase, okay? New home, yes, of course. Some of you are buying something near mountains, or near like some area which is like a hill station, or down the lane near some mountains, okay? Their home, water stream, yes. Also, it is something that you visited some place, you met this person, and something is going to start on a very positive note here, okay? It's like the meeting is going to be so successful. It's going to be so real, okay? Yes, for many of you, it's like your desire, your move, your beautiful, wow, relationship, dream coming true. May it be real time, virtual, okay? But something is through the window. I'm also hearing signature. Like, so maybe you end up doing certain signature on something, or maybe it is connected with this, something that is your signature style, like the ring or the jewelry or perfume or anything like cosmetics or anything that you work in, like kind of that energy, but it's going to be very much signature, your signature, okay? Can you tell us what is believing in? I'm going to love you to the core. I feel like you're going to receive something. Look, it's a repeat of Queen of Coins, which is Pentacles, or maybe it's a sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, because you have here. There's certain contradiction that's going to be cleared out, or in natal chart you have this. Leo is very prominent here, but it's like your some status. It is about money, finances are going up here. You're going to be given some throne, which may be connected with some very full of dignity and authentic, and it's going to be real, like, you know, it's promotion, big something, bonus something, wheel of fortune kind of situation, some money related thing, something that will be written in your name. I feel like home, something is there which is going to be so important and for you. That's all I can say. Again, this is Ace of Cups, so love is also here. Some of you are going to get into real beautiful relationships here. Okay, some of you are already in, but some of you will get into. Some of you are definitely either with a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius here. King of Wands energy. Okay, looking forward. This is something connected with royal, like it's about royalty, something that is going to be signature, something that is customized and is only one in a million kind of thing, that will be given to you. I feel like it's possible a piece of jewelry or something is here. Okay, whatever it is, let me know in the comment section. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.